Welcome back everyone. In today's video we'll be checking out the third and final set. This is the Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron Iron Man Lab Attack. And here's a look at the other two sets combined, and we're going to combine all three of these sets today to build the Avengers HQ. Let's go back to the front of the box. It shows Iron Man versus Ultron. Hopefully Iron Man can stop Ultron. This also comes with two figures. We get Iron Man and we get an upgraded Ultron figure. The side of the box is the same as the other two boxes we checked out. The back of this box will be different because it's showcasing the set that we'll be checking out today. And it looks like we can capture Ultron. And there's another look at it. All right, let's get this opened and check it out. We are opening this for the first time, and it's from 2015. Unboxing all of this. Here's all of the pieces. We get this cardboard backdrop, that way we can complete the tower. We have all these pieces. Looks like there's a trap door going on there. More stickers. We have our Iron Man figure, and it looks like it should be to scale with Hulk, I would think. Pretty close. Maybe Hulk would even be a little bit taller. It looks kind of close. And there's Ultron. And let's compare it to the Hulkbuster. Can we fit Iron Man inside of this Hulkbuster? Let's see. It's going to be close. It looks like we are able to squeeze Iron Man inside the Hulkbuster. Let's get Iron Man out. That way we can use him for this set. We have instructions and we have stickers. Before we put the stickers on, let's build the set first. Let's start out by connecting these two pieces. Let's keep building this set. That snaps into place. This goes here. We are almost done putting this together. Now we'll put the launcher on top and connect this to the base. We can't forget to put the projectile in. We'll check out the launching power on that in just a little bit. We connect these two pieces in here. This will trap Ultron. And there's the Ultron trap. Now for the last piece before we put on the background. And we'll put this back here. Wow, this looks awesome, and we're not done yet because we still have to add these stickers. So I'll get these on and we'll check out the entire set. Here's the set with the stickers and it looks awesome. I really like this. The stickers, I mean, the set looked really cool on its own, but you put the stickers on, it looks even better. So again, here's our two figures, Iron Man and Ultron. We'll set these two aside for now as we check out the set. Over here we have a ramp that we can go up and down on to see this screen that can flip, and we can bring it all the way around. And that sticker really looks cool on there. I like that. And this is where we can trap Ultron. There's a trap door right there. We can bring this up, snaps into place if we want it to stay where it's at. And this is where Ultron gets captured. We can just push this down, and then the trap door goes down as we do that. So let's give that a try. Let's put Ultron in here, and this Ultron stands much better than the other Ultron, which is this one. But here it goes. So Ultron has been trapped, and then he goes through the trap door, he falls. So we'll just keep Ultron there for now. So we have some Avengers stickers with the A on them, actually several of them. And we have some lights for the stairs that light up these stairs. We'll try to get some closer looks at these. And on this side we have more stickers lighting up the stairs, Avengers sticker. And a lot of these can move. We can move the launcher up here as well. We can turn all the way around 360 degrees. Let's check out the launching power on this. Let's try it again. Okay, that was better. Shows better launching power the second time. We'll put this there. I think we get, well, I think it's two projectiles, but at least one we have for sure. And that's really all we need is the one. And there's the backdrop, has the A for Avengers, lots of cool lighting on it. And we'll turn it all the way around to the back. You can see the back of the building. This is going to look great as we stack it on the third or in the top of the other two sets. And before we move on, we can actually put Iron Man on the foot peg. That way he's controlling this projectile launcher. And you can tell he's totally looking for Ultron right now. So here we are bringing out the other two sets. So again, this is set 1, set 2, and set 3, and we could have these all side by side if we wanted, which would look really cool, but I think it's gonna look even cooler how it's meant to be and stacking all 3 together. It looks like it just connects here. Whoops, that fell. I'll put that in place in a little bit. So there's these 4 points to connect on here, and we'll just do that. Wow, there it is, all connected. And this looks super cool. This is awesome. I'm definitely going to keep this set together and probably use it for display. And here's a look at the front view. Lots of different levels. That is awesome. And I can see how this is all making sense now. That trap door, Ultron will fall through the trapdoor and go down to the second level. And really, he could go to the second level and then slide down to that trapdoor, ultimately landing down in the very bottom. Let's give it a try capturing Ultron. Here it goes. Okay, so he goes down. He went all the way down there. He didn't exactly slide, but we'll kind of pretend he did. So he goes through here. Now he's right there, and he's going to go all the way down and just a little bit to the first level. Okay, here it goes. We'll press this button. There it is. Ultron has officially been captured. Now we can see Ultron as we collapse these doors, and there he is. Here's a look at 4 of the figures, and there's 2 others. There's Hulk and Captain America. We're gonna check them out in just a little bit, so we'll get another look at the set, and we'll go over the basic functions of it and how it works. On this side, we have a zip line for Hulkbuster that we can use. Hulk is on the far left, and there he is. He just smashed out of here. Top layer of the set, we have Captain America disc launcher. So we launch that, and then Captain America will go through these doors. There's Captain America. And on the very top level, Iron Man is going to officially defeat Ultron. And there it is. That's it for today's video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.